Hello 8th graders, this is Mrs. Lockie, and the information on this slide is going to model for you how to write topic sentences for each of your body paragraphs. And so this is there's a sample thesis at the top of the screen that says Generation Z is defined by its use of technology, by its political activism, and by global terrorism. So the three subtopics that Generation Z is defined by is technology, right up here, technology. The second subtopic is political activism, and the third subtopic is global terrorism. Okay, so then that means for each body paragraph that's about each of these three subtopics, technology, political activism, and global terrorism, there needs to be a topic sentence to introduce that paragraph. Okay, so in blue here it says the topic sentence refers to the overall topic and one of the subtopics. Okay, a simple topic sentence would be Generation Z is defined by its use of technology. Okay, so that would be introducing the first subtopic in body paragraph 1 of the paper. A more complex example is Generation Z is defined by its access to and use of technology. And then a more complex topic sentence yet is although technology is often seen as a negative attribute for this generation, the ease of access to social media and the rapid development of new technologies defines Generation Z. I'm going to pause this right now and then switch over to the outline, and then I'll be back. Hello 8th graders, I'm back, and now you're viewing my outline that was generated through Noodle Tools. And before we do topic sentences, I think it's important to copy and paste your thesis right here to the introduction, because that will remind you what your three reasons or your three subtopics are. So I'm going to go to my Generation Project Topic Research document, and I have my thesis up at the top. So I'm going to select that, Control C to copy it. Then I'm going to go to my outline, and I'm going to delete thesis, Control V, and paste it, and that's larger than what I need it, so I'm going to change the font to size 12, and then I'm also going to change the font to Times New Roman. Okay, so then my first reason, so my thesis is mental health is a significant issue for Generation Z because it contributes to health problems, comma, poor job performance, comma, and suicide. And so in body paragraph 1, I'm going to include my evidence about how Generation Z mental health is a significant issue because it causes health problems. Okay, so in the segment of video before I went over this outline is I talked through a mini lesson about how to do topic sentences. So I'm going to go to the topic sentence part of body paragraph 1, and I'm just going to introduce that body paragraph 1 is about health problems. Okay, so I'm going to maybe just do a statement like health problems often result, or maybe when members of Generation Z suffer from mental health issues, can also create additional health problems. Okay, so I'm going to reread that. So for my topic sentence, I want to introduce the subtopic, or reason 1, of health problems, okay? So I have the sentence, when members of Generation Z suffer from mental health issues, it can also create additional health problems. Now, I might want to revise that later, but for now, I'm going to say it's good to go. And I'm going to go find body paragraph 2, in my outline, and I'm going to add a topic sentence for poor job performance, which is that reason. Okay, so here's body paragraph 2, and the reason or subtopic is poor work performance. So I'm going to find the topic sentence, and I'm going to type a topic sentence that introduces that poor work performance can result when mental health issues aren't managed well. So maybe I'm going to do a transition. In addition to health problems, members of Generation Z also experience problems at work when they are not able to manage their mental health issues. Okay, so in addition to health problems, so I'm kind of transitioning from that previous body paragraph, members of Generation Z also experience problems at work when they're not able to manage their mental health issues. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down to body paragraph 3 and add topic sentences. And I'm not going to worry too much about the formatting right now in my outline because I can fix that later. Okay, so body paragraph 3, the subtopic or reason here is suicide, so I'm going to find the topic sentence, delete the topic sentence, and think of a way to introduce that the third reason that mental health is a significant issue for Gen Z is that it can lead to suicide. Whoops, I hit a button too many times. Besides health problems and poor job performance, suicide can also occur when mental health issues are not managed well. Besides health problems and poor job performance, suicide can also occur when mental health issues are not managed well. So that's my first draft of a topic sentence. I might go back and revise that later, but for now, it's good. So your next step is to add topic sentences for each body paragraph.